Hey, what's up, YouTube? Thanks for joining me here at Paid to Trade. I'm going to go ahead and do some quick stock market analysis to help you get you prepared for the week ahead. I'm going to cover the weekly expected moves for the NQ, the ES, as well as the Russell. If you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe. All right, so just getting off to where we are right now, the markets have opened green. So right now, looking at the NASDAQ, we are up 38 points. The market just opened about 15 minutes ago. So where we finished last week, you see these purple lines here. These are the weekly expected moves. So this was the upper move. This was the lower move. We actually fell below the lower move. And so I was thinking we would actually hit the next standard deviation. So this would be 2x this move right here. We got kind of close, but then we turned around and we pulled it back in. So if you watch my video on Friday, I put out a quick video just kind of warning you where we might go that day. And I mapped out a couple extra standard deviations. So this is one standard deviation, two, and then three. And in my video towards the end, you'll see that I said that, anything can happen. What I was looking at is the fact that we might try to reel it back in. Oftentimes the market tries to pull back into the within the expected moves. But if anything, I was thinking that we'd pull back into this zone down here. All right, that was kind of the plan. And then I thought, well, once we pull it back in here, this is probably a good spot to go ahead and go short. So I'm curious to see how that's going to play out. We might just rein it back in and they might pull us back into this channel. So if we zoom out just a little bit, we can see we were in this channel. This is what we broke out of last week. And I was thinking we'd see more moves to the downside. So what I'm thinking is going to happen is we're going to come up, we're going to retest the bottom of this channel, and then we're probably going to continue south. But let's see if it reins it back in. But either way, no matter what I think, it doesn't matter. These are the levels that you might want to go ahead and be playing off of. I'd watch out for these numbers here. And so as far as the weekly expected move, the upper end is going to be about 15,050, something like that, give or take a few points. The lower end is going to be 14,440. All right, so you're going to want to watch out for those numbers because once we hit those numbers, we might see a turnaround, or if we get past it, then we might see more of a crazy move. Just like here, when we got past it, we saw some more sell-offs, and you'll see some volatility, and we might get spiked back in, and we can spike right back down. So be mindful of those moves. Be mindful of where that's at. All right. So those are the weekly expected moves for the NQ. Let's go ahead and quickly look at the ES. All right. So we got the ES. Here we are. So with the ES, just looking at the one standard deviation. So the first number you're going to want to look out above is going to be 4466. So watch out for that number there. You're going to want to map that out, as well as below 4295 or 4296. So watch out for that. And so that is for the ES. And then moving over to the, not the YM, the Russell. There we go. So moving over to the Russell, upper move is going to be 1898. And the lower move is going to be 1825. So watch out for that. So it looks like with the Russell, we actually did pull back into the channel. But that's it. So that's your weekly expected moves for the week, covering the Russell, the ES, and the NASDAQ. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop that down in the section below. Let me know what you think about the video. Let me know what you think about your thoughts as far as where the market's going to go, what play you plan on taking this week. If you are very bearish, bullish, I'd love to hear from you. So thanks again for watching the videos, guys. And don't forget, you can join our free Discord. The link's down below in the description. If you're looking at getting started with any kind of prop firm, I do have two that I highly recommend, Top Step and Apex Trader Funding. You'll also find links for those in the description so you can start your own trading journey. And don't forget, we're also giving away the 300K eval account from Apex Trader Funding. So if you are subscribed and you join the Discord, once we reach 500 subscribers, which we're on our way, we're only about 170 away from that, we'll go ahead and do a free raffle to anyone that is subscribed and is in Discord. You will get your chance at winning a free 300K evaluation account. So those go for about $650, $700 with Apex Trader Funding. Right now, even with their discount that they offer, it's only half off. So that's still at least $350-ish. So instead, if you do win, it's completely free. And hopefully that will help you get started on your trading journey. So thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one.